If I look frazzled, it's because I am. We have been running around all day. It is after 5 o'clock, and I'm just now getting home with groceries. So, and it's hot as all get out outside. So, yes, I'm frazzled looking. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to do a grocery haul. I love watching grocery hauls online, so I thought I'll do one. I did a Sam's pickup and a Walmart pickup today. We were completely out of snacks. Aaron's snacks, our snacks, all the snacks. We were completely out. So it's going to look like a junk food haul, but this is just a restock of our snacks that will last us for a long time. And we were completely out of things for lunch. For me and Aaron. So let me show you what I got. First thing is we got a Sam's pot pie. Like I said, it's after 5 o'clock. So I'm fixing to put this in the oven right now while I finish filming this video because I'm not cooking tonight.
Yeah, because I was going to ask you where my bills was.
Be quiet. And this was a lot prettier when I got it, but I slammed on brakes in my car. And you know the rest. So it's a little disheveled, but we're fixing to throw it in the oven. See you right back. Okay. So now, we've got peanut butter crackers and granola bars. These are Aaron's favorite snacks, so these go in his snack bucket for him. He usually eats at least one of these a day of each, sometimes more. Built Puff bars, these are mine. I do share sometimes, but they're mainly mine. My favorite snack. They're so good. I love them. They taste like a candy bar. But they don't have as much sugar as a candy bar. So, these are Patrick's protein bars. These are his favorite. So, sometimes we let Aaron have one because he likes the protein bars too. Slim Jims, everybody eats these. We all love them. Patrick's favorite, sea salt caramels. Those are his favorite. Then we've got some grilled chicken bites and some chicken strips. These are for lunches. Aaron and I both like these for lunch. I can cook them in the air fryer and I can throw them on a salad or eat them with some vegetables. Aaron can dip them in sauce and have something with it. So these are great for us for lunch. A staple of every household, cheese. A big bag of fresh green beans because I'm going to make one day this week the viral smothered green beans. So I got some green beans for that. Some croissants. I'm going to put some of these in the freezer and then some of them I'll leave out because we have some chicken salad from our local bakery that makes the best chicken salad. So I'm going to leave some of these out to have that for lunch. And then Aaron likes them and put lunch meat on them for lunch. So some will go in the freezer and then some will stay out. Lunch meat, turkey. I don't know if I said this or not before, but we were like down to only 1 pack of chicken in the freezer, so we needed some meat. So these are some of the meats that I got. Flank steak. We love flank steak. And so I'll separate this, one for one night and one for another time. And we a lot of times get 2 meals out of each one. So that's great. But Patrick grills, we marinate them and Patrick grills them and we slice them real thin. So good. Some boneless pork chops. Again, we'll marinate these and grill them. They'll be so good. And we'll get 2 meals out of this pack. And then we've got ground beef. I will separate this up into 2 or 3 different bags, and one I'm going to make meatloaf with this week. The other meat I don't know what I'll do with, but it's just to have in the freezer if we need something quick. I have some watermelon and cantaloupe already in the refrigerator, so I just got a couple of things of fruit. These will last a little longer than the melons will, so we've got some apples and some bananas, a bag of little potatoes. We needed more trash bags, and we needed paper towels. Aaron's Pepsi Zero, and a case of water. So that's it for our Sam's haul. I'm going to get some of this put up, and then I'll come back and do our Walmart haul. Okay, now for our Walmart haul. my Walmart haul wasn't very big this week because I had gotten a few things the other day, just a few. And I've gotten all the stuff, most stuff at Sam's. So I think a lot of this was just restock of stuff that we keep. Oats, oatmeal, and homemade granola bars and stuff like that. Steamed dumplings. I love these things. They're a very quick lunch and only 250 calories for the whole thing. So I stocked up on these because they are very quick lunch. I was out of butter, so I've got 2 boxes of butter. I had to use some of Patrick's Kerrygold, and you know, that's a sin in this house for me to use his Kerrygold to cook with. It's for him to put on bread. So specifically yeast roll, but anyway, so I had to stock up on some butter. I don't know why I got cheese at Walmart when I got cheese at Sam's, but it's not going to go bad. So got some granola for yogurt bowls. Aaron loves to eat yogurt bowls for breakfast sometimes, and I try to find a fairly healthy granola that's not too, doesn't have too much sugar in it, and it's got some whole grains and stuff in it. Anyway, so I got some of this for his yogurt bowls. Eggs. Another bag of that yogurt, of that granola, just a different flavor. I was out of chicken stock, so I got 2 boxes of chicken stock. I like to keep that on hand for all kinds of things. I was out of sausage in my freezer. Aaron loves to cook sausage and have a sausage sandwich or sausage and biscuit or something. And he don't want the microwavable kind. He wants me to cook sausage and cook a roll or a biscuit or put it on toast or something. So anyway, I was out, so we stocked up on that. I got a thing of Jimmy Dean sausage because I'm going to make, I saw a recipe online that I'm going to make this week for like a meal prep. And it's like, it's supposed to taste like McDonald's sausage McGriddles. So anyway, and you make it in muffin tins. So I got a sausage for that. Smoked sausage for our smothered green beans. We were out of instant potatoes in the pantry, so I stocked up on that. I know how to make homemade mashed potatoes, but some days it's not worth it. And Aaron doesn't eat mashed potatoes, so one little bag we can cook up really quick, and Patrick and I can split it, and that's good. Pancake mix for those little sausage McGriddle things that I'm gonna make. Aaron's ice cream. He has to have a little cup of ice cream every night after supper. You want to put your ice cream in the freezer? Go put it in the freezer. Frozen biscuits for Aaron for breakfast or lunch. Air fryer liners. I buy the kind that has the little holes in it, because if you buy them that don't have the holes, you defeat the whole purpose of having a air fryer. But these do make cleanup of your air fryer a lot easier, so I love using these. Some Marie Calendar dinners, again, for a quick and easy lunch. That's not a whole lot of calories. It's not the healthiest thing, I agree, but it's something quick and easy and delicious, and I like them, and Aaron likes them. And like I said, they're not a whole lot of calories. The turkey one is my favorite. 240 calories for the whole thing. And if I'm super hungry, I just fix some extra vegetables to go with it. I know, are those some frozen dinners for you? And we needed more sandwich bags. Okay guys, I think that's it. That was enough. Like I said, we were out of a lot of our staples, and I was just trying to restock the freezer some, and the pantry, and our snacks. So I do a lot of home cooking, believe it or not. You can't tell it according to this grocery haul, but anyway. So y'all have a good day. Bye.